Now in this video we're going to talk about an important programming concept known as variables. And variables are extremely useful. You'll be assigning variables in every program that you create for the rest of your entire life. And so what variables are they're pieces of stored data. That's what you use to encapsulate data. So we can start by setting a variable, name equal to Jack, and you see we get the output of Jack. Now if we actually call name outright, there, we get the contents of that variable. And you can set variables with any combination of letters and numbers. And you can see that we now have another variable of Buram. And you can see that we can use both letters and numbers to set variables. Now what you can't do is you cannot start a variable with a number. So 2D40 equal to robot. It's a syntax error. Now, you also cannot have spaces in your variables. So we can press Command K to get back to the top of our interpreter. And we can also now perform different operations on our variables. Now, you can see that we can perform different functions and expressions and operations on our variables. And just like we did that just the way we did with our outright, Jack plus Buram. And you see if we wanted to get the space in there, we could call name Jack plus space plus Buram, Jack Buram. And you see there we just created another string with just a space to give that extra little bit of room between the first name and the last name. And what we just did there when we wrote name is equal to, let's say, Sarah. This is known as assigning the variable or setting the variable. So when you continue along your programming path, you'll constantly hear this referred to as that. So this is just a first. I don't know if this counts. Oh, we did not put that in quotes. This is just a first introduction of variables. We're going to continue to refer back to this, but just wanted to get you guys familiar with it to start.